Alright, in this example, they want you to graph these functions. So I'm not going to graph it, I'm going to let you graph it, but I'm going to show you how to set up your table so that you can plot your points for your graph. So first of all, you have y equals 5 sine 4x. So right away, you're multiplying the trig function by 5. So that means you're multiplying your y by 5. So I have 5y for my column. So I have my y values are 0, 1, 0, negative 1, and 0. So this would be 5 times 0, which is 0. 5 times 1, which is 5. 5 times 0 again, which is 0. 5 times negative 1, which is negative 5. And then 5 times 0, which is 0. Alright, now I'm going to do my x values. So here I see 4 times x, but remember when you're doing the x values, it's always the opposite operation. So instead of multiplying by 4, we're going to divide by 4, which means you're multiplying by 1/4. Because multiplying by 1/4 is the same thing as dividing by 4. So I'm going to multiply each one of my x values by 1/4. So I have 0 times 1/4, which is 0. And then I have pi over 2 times 1/4, which is pi over 8. And then I have pi times 1/4, which is pi over 4. Then 3 pi over 2 times 1/4, which is 3 pi over 8. And then 2 pi times 1/4, which is 2 pi over 4, which is just pi over 2. Alright, so over here I'm going to write my actual points of my new function. So my actual points that I'm plotting would be 0, 0. The next one will be pi over 8, 5. The next one would be pi over 4, 0. Then we have 3 pi over 8, negative 5, and then pi over 2, 0. So these are the points that I will plot to get my graph. And that is it.